Hello digital friends. Did you know that you can download certain videos from TikTok and use them as wallpapers? The TikTok app has just that option. It offers you the ability to browse and download videos for free that are intended for this purpose. For example, this wallpaper I downloaded and set in this way. Let's now download a wallpaper from TikTok together. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile page. Then click on the three horizontal lines and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the option that says Wallpaper. Press it to open. You can see that I have not yet downloaded any wallpapers from TikTok. By clicking the Find Wallpapers button, a new page with suggested wallpapers will open. You can search using the search option. I will just open one of the suggested ones here. Click on the arrow to share the TikTok video. In the bottom menu, notice the option that says Set as Wallpaper and click on it. When you use this option for the first time, a window will appear directing you to install a plugin, a small TikTok wallpaper app. Click Install and install this plugin. Return to the TikTok app and repeat the process. The wallpaper is downloading. Click Set as Wallpaper and then click Apply. Soon this video will be set as the wallpaper on your phone. Here's what it looks like. If you found the video interesting and useful, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.